Hello and welcome to the Desert Weathering Tutorial Part 1. After watching this video series, you will be able to achieve weathering results similar to ones seen in these photos. Let's mix some weathering paste, using VMS pigments number 4 and 12. These are textured pigment types, perfect for making authentic-looking mud accumulation. Mix the powders with VMS enamel binder matte effects type. Apply the paste locally like so. We don't want to plaster the entire vehicle, but create some subtle effects. Not much finesse is needed at this point, just apply the paste here and there. For the next step, we will require some VMS Universal Weathering Carrier. Use the carrier fluid to extend our pigment paste over the model, creating subtle dry mud effect. These pigment jobs are reversible at any given moment in time. You can start today and refine it tomorrow. And if you don't like an effect, you can remove it. This is what it looks like up close. Spread out the unnaturally looking pigment jobs. The more time you spend, the better the effect. Using a flat brush, you will be able to easily create streaking effects. Let's create some streaking on the sides of the hole. Apply some pigments first. Then use the flat brush to create the effect. This is what it looks like when the pigment job is dry. Let's work on the upper hole. Again, we selectively apply the pigment and then extend it over the model using VMS Universal Weathering Carrier. Spread out the unnaturally looking pigment jobs. The more time you spend, the better the effect. We create some final streaking effects on this part of the model. We are done here. Check out part 2 of the video to see the other steps we took while weathering this build.